Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing Yoshi from Super Mario.
Yep.
Okay, so back again in the middle.
Okay.
We try to do a perfect circle.
Okay, so it'll be a big
As
circle.
round as possible as yeah.
Okay, that seems but okay.
So we do two little nostrils there because this is his nose.
Oh, okay.
And then we start with his eyes. But his head is tilted back a bit, so instead of going upwards, we're going to do slightly tilted back like that.
Okay, I'm gonna try mine.
And another one next to it.
There we go.
I crossed the line a bit there. And now we're
Oh, I
doing
see. I have to make a curve.
pupils inside of that.
Okay.
And we do a little reflection in there. And a reflection in there. And we can color his eyes. Color the eye.
Okay.
So his little reflections is there. And there we have Yoshi's big nose and eyes looking at us. Okay, so from about here, we draw the outline of his eyes. It's gonna make a little M shape, so along the eye and back there, and an M, and we bring it back till about there. So
Okay.
we do this, dip it in like an M shape, and come around and just park it there.
Okay, there we go.
There you go. Now, from under his nose here, where his mouth is about to start, we're gonna come out and back and curl his cheek around, just like that.
Okay, I made a big cheek.
You got it? And now we do a little mouth and a little tongue over there.
Okay, and the tongue. There we go. That's
There we
my
go,
shape
that's
at the
okay.
moment.
That's good, that's good. Yeah, I made a little happy little accident here with this overlapping of the lines. And now we're gonna draw his thigh. So we don't want Yoshi to be too tall because his head is most of his proportion, you know, his head is very big. His body is about like that. So I'm gonna draw a thigh over here. So that's his leg, both sides.
Okay.
Down there.
Got the thigh.
And from there, I'm gonna draw a tummy line.
Okay.
I'm crossing all these little shapes.
There we go.
And now a big fat tummy line coming around here.
Okay, then you can mix with the
And then I
thigh.
mimic that flow and bring up a tail this side.
Okay, not too big.
Yeah. And from here, throwing a line. That's going to be his arm.
Okay.
And the other part of his arm.
Right.
And from under there, we complete this tail.
Oh, okay.
And what does Yoshi have in his back?
A shell.
A little shell. And we draw a base shape for the shell.
Okay.
And the actual shell on there.
There we go.
And he's got three little plates on the back of his head. You can place these randomly. Oh, I keep going over the line. I keep going over the line. And this side, we throw his arm again.
Okay.
And the other line of his arm, so we can see his two arms. The bottom here, we add the other leg, just like that.
Okay. Just another curve.
Throw the top of his shoe
Okay, got it.
and top of his other shoe.
And there we go.
We draw a little bump because this shoe is facing us directly, just like that. A little dome. We add a little sole to the dome, bottom of his shoe, and we connect that line there.
I think I kind of
Yeah, and on this side, we add a little dome there,
Okay.
and we connect that to the bottom of the other shoe, same height.
Oh no. Made it a bit big.
Oh no, but now you can just add the sole into that big shape. So look here, I'm doing
Oh, I
what-
see, I see.
So there you can see his two soles. Do you have soles to his shoes?
There we go.
That's correct. And now, throwing a little thumb
Okay.
and 3 fingers. A little thumb on that side. And 3 more fingers. And that's Yoshi, everybody. He's actually very quick and easy to draw, eh? So now, I drop my pencil, drop the cap of my Koki, my marker. But yeah, let's add some color. So that's how Yoshi is, everybody. Adam went with the purple one, I see. And yours got socks on there. Some purple socks. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified of any new videos.
Yep.
Be good and have fun. Bye.
Bye.